Did you know that by the age of 70, nearly 1 in 3 adults experiences serious difficulty walking or climbing stairs? And even more alarming, most of these cases could have been prevented. Hello, dear friends, welcome back to your trusted space for healthier, stronger, and more confident living after 60. Today's video is one that could change your life or the life of someone you love. If you've ever felt your legs trembling after standing too long, struggled to rise from a chair, or dreaded taking the stairs, you're not alone, and more importantly, there's something we can do about it. In fact, your legs are the very foundation of your independence. When they weaken, your freedom to move, explore, and enjoy life starts slipping away. But today, we're going to fight back together. In this video, we'll explore 5 common but often overlooked mistakes that make your legs weaker over time. Practical, safe solutions tailored for seniors. Tips backed by real science, with natural foods, gentle exercises, and life-changing habits you can begin today. If you're new here, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share your city or country in the comments. I love seeing where this warm and supportive community comes from. Whether you're 60 or 90, it's never too late to take your strength back. From superfoods that rebuild muscle to daily habits that either make or break your legs. Let's begin your journey to strong, stable legs and a confident step. The chair is the new smoking. This modern phrase speaks volumes, especially for those over 60. Extended sitting isn't just bad for your posture, it's silently stealing your leg strength. When you sit for long periods, especially in soft chairs or recliners, your leg muscles, particularly the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, begin to shrink, a process called disuse atrophy. This means your muscles are literally wasting away from lack of use. For seniors, the loss is even faster because of natural aging and a slower regeneration process. This weakens your legs, making everyday activities like walking, standing, or even maintaining balance much harder. Think of your muscles like a bank account. Every time you move, you make a deposit. Every time you sit too long, you make a withdrawal. The hidden dangers, falls and fractures, weak leg muscles drastically increase the risk of falling. And as we age, falls are more likely to lead to hip fractures or long-term immobility. Poor circulation, sitting restricts blood flow, especially in the legs, leading to swelling, varicose veins, and even blood clots. Joint stiffness, staying in one position for too long tightens joints and ligaments, making it painful to move. How to fix it? Here's the good news. The fix is simple, and you can start right now. The 30-minute rule. Set a timer or use a smartwatch to remind yourself to stand up every 30 minutes. Just 2 to 3 minutes of walking or stretching can make a huge difference. Chair exercises. If you're mobility limited or indoors during winter, do gentle leg lifts, ankle rolls, or seated marches to keep the blood flowing and muscles active. Invest in a proper chair. Swap out that ultra-soft recliner for a firmer chair that promotes better posture and requires slight effort when getting up. This keeps your thighs and core working. Have you caught yourself sitting for hours without realizing it? Drop a comment below saying I'm moving more starting today, and encourage someone else who needs that little push. This community thrives on support and shared progress. Movement is medicine. The more you move, the more muscle you save and the more freedom you keep. The simplest habit, standing up every 30 minutes, might be the strongest leg saver of all. After 60, your body becomes less efficient at using the protein you eat. So even if you're eating enough, your muscles may still be starving. Most seniors believe that protein is mainly for bodybuilders. But the truth is, protein is your muscle's best friend, especially as you age. As we grow older, our bodies go through a process called anabolic resistance. This simply means your muscles no longer absorb and use protein as efficiently as they once did. So if you're eating the same amount of protein you did in your 40s or 50s, you may actually be undernourishing your muscles today. Without enough quality protein, your body begins to break down muscle faster than it builds it. This leads to muscle loss, weak legs, poor balance, higher risk of falls, slow healing, and longer recovery from injury. Here are simple, senior-friendly ways to improve your protein intake. Many people eat carb-heavy breakfasts like toast or cereal. Instead, begin your day with 2 boiled eggs, Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of nuts, a protein smoothie with banana, almond milk, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of high-quality protein at each main meal. Chicken breast, lentils and beans, tofu or tempeh, tuna, salmon, sardines, cottage cheese, or ricotta. Protein metabolism needs water. Make sure you're drinking 6 to 8 cups of water daily to help your muscles process and absorb nutrients effectively. Are you getting enough protein in your daily meals? Type protein power in the comments if you're ready to focus on building stronger legs through nutrition. Think of protein as bricks for your muscles. Without enough bricks, you can't build strength. Prioritize protein in every meal and your legs will thank you with more stability, strength, and stamina. Walking is great, but walking alone isn't enough. If you're not challenging your muscles with resistance, they'll slowly waste away. Many seniors think that daily walking is sufficient for leg strength. While walking is fantastic for heart health and basic mobility, it doesn't do enough to stop age-related muscle loss. To truly build and maintain strong legs, you need resistance training, any exercise that forces your muscles to work against a force. This force could be your own body weight, resistance bands like dumbbells, wall or chair exercises. Resistance training tells your body, keep these muscles strong, we still need them. When resistance training is missing, your muscles lose power and mass more quickly. Your metabolism slows, making it easier to gain fat and harder to maintain weight. Your legs become fragile, increasing the chance of stumbling or falling. Everyday tasks like bending down, climbing stairs, or lifting groceries become more exhausting. Resistance training doesn't mean lifting heavy weights at the gym. In fact, most seniors see great results with simple at-home routines. Try these 3 beginner-friendly strength moves you can do today. 1. Chair squats. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Lower yourself down slowly as if sitting. Lightly touch the seat, then stand back up. 2. Heel raises. Stand behind a chair for balance. Lift your heels, standing on your toes. Slowly lower back down. 3. Wall push-ups. Stand arm's length from a wall. Place your hands shoulder-width apart and bend elbows to bring your chest toward the wall. Push back to the starting position. Start with 2 to 3 days a week of light resistance training. Gradually increase reps or resistance over time. Always warm up with a short walk or gentle stretching. Push back to the starting position. Do you include resistance exercises in your week? Type strong legs in the comments if you're committing to adding at least 2 strength days this week. Walking moves your body, resistance training builds your muscles. Both are important, but if you want to prevent weak legs, resistance must be part of your weekly routine. Your legs aren't just muscles, they're bones too. And without enough vitamin D and calcium, they weaken quietly until one fall changes everything. When we think about leg strength, most people picture muscles. But your muscles rely on strong, stable bones to support every step, every lift, and every movement. And for bones to stay solid, especially after age 60, nutrients are absolutely essential. Calcium, the building block of your bones. Vitamin D, the helper that allows calcium to be absorbed properly. And how common is vitamin deficiency? Over 50% of adults over 60 are deficient in vitamin D. Women over 60 are especially prone to bone loss and fractures. Lack of sunlight and poor dietary intake are the 2 main culprits. Common symptoms of deficiency: achy legs, especially in the hips, knees, or calves. Fatigue and muscle weakness, frequent cramps or a heavy feeling in your legs. Dental issues or brittle nails, frequent balance issues or falls. And how can this problem be fixed? Vitamin D is made naturally in your skin when it's exposed to sunlight. Try 1. 10 to 15 minutes of morning or late afternoon sun on bare skin. Avoid strong midday rays and don't overdo it. 2. Add calcium-rich foods to your diet. Recommended daily intake: 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams. Best sources include low-fat milk, yogurt, cheese. Leafy greens like kale, bok choy, and broccoli. Canned salmon or sardines, fortified plant milks. Do you get enough vitamin D and calcium? Type strong bones in the comments if you're committed to protecting your legs from the inside out. Weak legs aren't just about muscles. Bones form the framework, and without enough vitamin D and calcium, your legs can lose their foundation silently. Take control now with nutrition, sunlight, and smart supplementation, and you'll feel stronger with every step. The chair may feel safe and comfortable, but too much sitting quietly steals your strength, weakens your legs, and shortens your life. You might think resting your legs is helping you recover. But in reality, sitting too much is one of the biggest silent threats to leg strength and overall health after age 60. Here's why: every hour you sit, your muscles shut down, your blood circulation slows, and your metabolism becomes sluggish. Over time, this leads to weaker leg muscles, stiff joints and poor flexibility, reduced balance and coordination. Poor blood flow, especially in the calves, increased risk of clots, diabetes, and even dementia. Studies show that seniors who sit more than 8 hours a day have a significantly higher risk of falls, fractures, and hospitalization. Real-life signs you're sitting too much. You feel stiff when standing up after watching TV. You get tired quickly after walking short distances. You struggle to maintain balance when turning or standing on one leg. You need help rising from soft chairs or couches. You feel unsteady or wobbly in your legs when walking. If these sound familiar, your legs may be deconditioning, losing strength simply from lack of regular use. Don't worry, you don't have to give up resting or enjoying TV, but you do need to build movement into your daily routine, even in small bursts. Here's how. Point 1. Follow the 30-3 rule. For every 30 minutes of sitting, stand up and move for 3 minutes. 2. Take mini walks instead of trying to walk 30 minutes at once. Break it up. 3. Try gentle chair exercises. When standing is hard or unsafe, seated movements are a great way to stay active. 4. Move during commercials. Turn every TV break into an opportunity. Stand and stretch during ads. Do calf raises behind the couch. Use resistance bands while seated. Have you found ways to stay active even when relaxing at home? Share your favorite mini movements in the comment, or just type "move more" if you're ready to make every day more active. Movement isn't just about exercise, it's about reminding your legs every day that they are needed, loved, and used. Even short bursts of movement can prevent weakness, boost energy, and protect your freedom to walk, climb, and live independently. You don't have to run marathons, you just have to move, nourish, and believe that your legs can carry you far at any age. Dear friend, you've made it to the end of this important video. And that means something powerful. You care about your health, your strength, and your future. We're in this together. You're not alone on this journey, and thousands of seniors just like you are watching this video right now, nodding their heads, saying, "Yes, that's me, but not for long." So if you're ready to commit to your strength, even just a little, I want you to type in the comments, "I'm starting today." Let's cheer each other on. Let's share ideas. Let's grow stronger together. Like this video if it gave you even one helpful idea. Share it with someone you love, a friend, a parent, a neighbor, because this might change their life too. Subscribe to the channel for more real, practical, compassionate health advice designed for people just like you. You deserve a body that supports you. You deserve legs that lift you. You deserve a future full of movement, independence, and joy. So take that first step. Literally, right now, stand up. March in place. Smile. Your journey starts today. Thank you for being here. Stay well, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.